All right, guys, some stocks I'll be watching on Wednesday. Couple coal names, CLF. Really like this little flag here after coming off of some lows. I don't know. These all have a lot of shorts in them, and up over this recent base, 1767 is a number to write down. That's a break above the high of this base. CLF closed near its highs today, so it's interesting. Same note, WLT. You've got a nice little pop off the lows here, and then a nice sideways consolidation. Love it over this base. 1261, 1270 are a couple numbers to write down. They're somewhat significant if they can get over those two areas. SWY, kind of the same deal. Another base over this base after the gap up, sell off, bounce sideways up over this. A lot of shorts in that one as well. PAY, PAY, very close to breaking up into this gap here. So watch PAY. RAX. This gap down and sell off, it's already back up to where that started. So this one's finally finding some buyers, and up over these recent highs. A couple numbers you want to write them down. 42.38 would be a break of yesterday's high, or I should say Tuesday's high. 42.38. Both of these. Okay, 42.37 and 42.37 are these two recent highs here. So you can write down 42.38. Now that doesn't mean, you break it by a penny. You break 42.37 by a penny, doesn't mean it's automatically going to go. But 42.38 is the price that's above any recent high. Okay. I like to write those numbers down so I don't have to, when the market's open and these stocks are trading, I can just glance at it instead of having to hover over it and see where the high was. So it just makes it a quick reference point there. Mako, M-A-K-O, it doesn't look great here, but if you pan out, it looks a little better. And there's a lot of shorts in this one as well. You can see a trend line here also that if it can get above. And it is holding now above the 200-day. This purple line is the 200-day. So Mako, also a lot of shorts up over these recent highs. Could also break out. And actually have Tesla on bounce watch here. Just, this may be overdone. You've got two big days. Just doing the math here. Monday's high was $133.25, and it's down to $109 after two sessions. So this goes on bounce watch. What I usually like to do is if I can get it to be in a somewhat narrow range for the first hour or two, and then break its high, that's usually a good entry, just a high of day break. But it all depends on how it trades on an intraday basis. So I may do nothing with Tesla or any of these. I may trade a whole different list of stocks depending on how the market unfolds tomorrow. But there's a pretty good list here today, and certainly be keeping an eye on those coal names. All right, I'll quit babbling. We'll talk to you tomorrow.